Hi, I'm Paul Jolley from LTmate. We specialize in e-commerce and digital marketing. I'm a UK guy. I've lived in Zhongshan, China for 20 years and I understand everything there is about manufacturing and digital marketing. Our vision at LTmate is to work with the manufacturers to build their brands and market them directly to the West using Amazon, Facebook and all the social media platforms which are available in the West. Our manufacturing partners all have years and years of extensive experience manufacturing, and they can bring all their knowledge together to find products which have key selling points, and then we use our social media and marketing and e-commerce to market these products directly to the West. Our team at LTmate have years of experience in Amazon and social media marketing to the West. So once the manufacturer brings us a product with a key selling point, then we can put it into our system and do an analysis. Once we've done the analysis and everybody's happy that this product with the key selling point can sell, then first step is Amazon, because Amazon gives us straight away return on investment, and then we get a nice shiny new website, a Western shiny new website, followed by a Facebook account, a YouTube account, a LinkedIn account and an Instagram account. We build the base. Then we start adding the content, because content in, money out, because the attention of all the world now is right here with their phone. Once we have your brand looking professional on the different social media and e-commerce channels, then we move on to the B2B, and we target your distribution partners using a B2B platform. When the B2B platform views your presence on the internet, you will look like an international professional brand. If you're interested in creating an international brand and accessing international markets, then contact us at LTmate.